Hi, it's Lisa Nolan here.
And Maria Macklin.
What if you could offer your teams a 2-hour workshop where they will learn how to grow their confidence through building resilience, activating their leadership, identifying and defining their personal brand? When your teams attend this workshop, they will come away with tips that they can implement immediately that day and every day after.
These tips will have measurable impact and benefits on their confidence and, by extension, their well-being and performance. This workshop is interactive and fun. Your staff won't have attended anything like this before. We will cover personal resilience, how to access what's already there; authentic leadership, activating their own leadership styles; personal brand, being impactful and consistent; visual authenticity, displaying credibility, trustworthiness and competency.
When you're interested in bringing this workshop to your staff, get in touch with either one of us. We will come into your place of business at a time convenient to you and your staff. You provide us with the space and the participants, and we'll do the rest.